from Thierry Wright at 600 knots. It's giving him, I know, immense pleasure to bring this display to you today. Breaking away in the first of his many 9G turns. And remember, that is 9 times your body weight. Barrel rolling back into the what he calls a double corkscrew. Leaving the reheating gauge there, you can see all that power coming out the back end of the Typhoon. During this turn, he'll be pulling yet another 9G. You're all weighing 1G out there a moment, just standing up. Imagine increasing that to 9 times. You will be pushed into the tarmac. Coming back now, putting up into the first loop of this year's display. And sporting now this wonderful D-Day 80th paint scheme, representing a 257 Typhoon, seen in the skies on D-Day, 6th of June 1944. Going away from you now in a barrel roll. You'll be repositioning for another fast pass. So keep your hands on, as I say again, as he takes the throttles out of reheat just to slow the jet down beyond going over 600 knots, because that's the speed limit here. Otherwise he'll go supersonic. Here we go. Caused by his full body G suit and pressure breathing into some aileron rolls. Just taking the power back off there for a moment, using all the energy. Slowing the jet down a little bit. Its performance across the speed range is absolutely extraordinary. Just look at that stunning slow roll, absolutely outstanding. Now take a good close look at this, of course, as he slows the jet down now into a high alpha pass with the stick way back. Little onboard sensors and the canard there just twitching away to ensure that the aircraft doesn't lose control of itself, but all in very, very good hands. Back now to round about just 110 knots. Now putting up into a slow speed loop. Repositioning now to give you just chucking in another roll there. A good view of the top side as he pushes away with negative G, rushing to his nose. And continuing that push now up into a negative G half Cuban. Always a pleasure to bring back on some positive G. All the blood now going the right way round. Of course, all that energy and speed coming back in. The weight of the jet assists bringing the speed back up again. Putting up now. G coming on, and thrilling stuff indeed. We're enjoying every minute of it. It's good to see Red 10 just arriving. Fantastic news. Halfway through this display now. Just different multifunction head-down displays, a head-up display, and a helmet-mounted display as well. Really exhausting in many ways, but of course the cockpit of the Typhoon is actually quite comfortable and air conditioned, and he has all the equipment on board. And disappearing now, the way to leave an air show is just to go vertically upwards, and that is what he is doing.